If you are considering opening a Relay Bank business account, one of the most common questions you might have is whether Relay Bank supports Zelle for sending and receiving payments. This is a very important question, especially if you already rely on Zelle for fast, bank-to-bank transfers with clients, customers, or vendors. So let us address this clearly from the start. As of now, Relay Bank does not offer Zelle integration. You cannot send or receive payments through Zelle using a Relay Bank account. This applies to both inbound and outbound Zelle transfers. Now, why does this matter, and should it stop you from choosing Relay Bank? That depends on how you run your business, and what kind of payment tools you actually need. Relay Bank is designed primarily as an online business banking platform for small businesses, startups, freelancers, and LLC owners in the United States. Its main focus is cash flow management, expense control, and multi-account organization rather than peer-to-peer payment services like Zelle. Zelle itself is typically offered by traditional banks and credit unions. It is heavily tied to personal checking accounts and consumer banking use cases. While some banks allow small business Zelle accounts, it is not universally supported across fintech or digital-only business banks. Relay Bank instead offers other payment options that are more aligned with business operations. With Relay, you can send and receive ACH transfers, make wire transfers, and issue physical or virtual debit cards for your team. These tools are often more suitable for paying suppliers, contractors, payroll services, and business expenses. ACH transfers, for example, are widely accepted by vendors and clients. They may take 1 to 2 business days, but they are reliable, traceable, and built for business transactions. Relay also allows you to create multiple checking accounts under one business profile, which makes it easier to separate taxes, operating expenses, savings, and payroll. If your main reason for wanting Zelle is speed, it is worth noting that many business payments do not actually require instant transfer. What matters more is stability, clear transaction records, and accounting integration. Relay integrates well with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, which is a major advantage for business owners. However, if your business heavily depends on customers sending you money through Zelle, such as in-person services, small local sales, or quick peer-style payments, Relay Bank may not be the best standalone option for you. In that case, some business owners keep a traditional bank account alongside Relay specifically for Zelle use. This hybrid approach is quite common. You can use a traditional bank account for Zelle and cash deposits, while using Relay Bank for structured business banking, expense tracking, and team spending controls. Another important thing to understand is that Relay Bank is fee-free for most core services. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. For many small businesses, this alone outweighs the lack of Zelle support. So to summarize, Relay Bank does not currently support Zelle. If Zelle is essential to how you receive payments, you may need an alternative or a secondary bank account. But if your priority is modern business banking, clear financial organization, ACH payments, and strong expense management, Relay Bank remains a very solid option. Before choosing any business bank, always match the features to how you actually get paid and how you spend money. That is the key to avoiding frustration later. If you found this explanation helpful and you are comparing business banking options, make sure to check out other Relay Bank features and comparisons to decide if it truly fits your business needs.